We're not just engineers at JR Automation. We are dedicated, knowledgeable, and innovative individuals who collaborate with each other and with our customers to ensure success every step of the way.
We have a wide scope of experiences. When we look at a problem, everyone brings in a part of a solution.
Trying to do it by yourself, there's no way for that to work.
Teamwork, brainstorming, spit out ideas. Don't be afraid of what might sound stupid, because really what that idea might have been to you could be something completely different to someone else.
Talk to other people, see what's been done in the past and what we can improve upon.
I'll keep an open mind and listen to opinion and suggestion.
We combine ideas to make one that's the best.
As a controls engineer, you are always working with different softwares, different programs.
We always have to be on the edge.
It's such a broad field, it's almost a specialty of sorts. You've really got to look into that particular technology and dive deep.
Collaboration is a big part of our business and what we do.
Being curious enough to go out and find your own info to kind of stay in the loop of what we're doing, what other people are doing.
To be better every day, to be innovative and creative on each project.
Man, I'm tremendously curious. Everything about the stuff that we build, the stuff that our customers are trying to manufacture.
I warned when I first started here a lot of the senior engineers that I will ask a million questions, and if they keep answering, I'll never stop.
You see a lot of products. Sometimes it's products that you help build, sometimes it's products that somebody else built, and you're curious on how they did it.
This has been what I do. Be able to come to work and build and create and then see your efforts pay off, create something useful.
This work, to me, is a way to see the technologies of the future.
You will never get bored.
It's kind of really cool knowing that you created something from scratch.
I always do my best because it is a reflection of myself.
We often need to read between the lines. Sometimes the solution is not staring in the face, but sometimes you have to go and find it.
It's amazing what people can do when they work together. We make cool stuff. We always deliver it.
I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer.
Together,
we are JR Automation.